friends, Miss Atako here. Today's read aloud is called How Long or How Wide? A Measuring Guide. Length, the distance from one end of something to the other. A teacher, a table, a teacher, a building or creature. A stuffed teddy bear that you treasured. What size are they all? The big and the small. Each one of these things can be measured. Length answers the riddle, for large things are little. How long or how tall or how wide is that swing? Or your ring? Or a dinosaur wing? Or the ladder that leads to the slide? 1 inch looks like this, and is easy to miss because of its very small size. But it shows us its might when it helps tell the height of trees that reach up to the skies. 12 inches together make 1 foot, so whether you measure a desk or a door, each 12-inch long line is a definite sign that you've measured another foot more. And see this, it's cool. Inches live on this tool. It's a measuring stick called a ruler. A 12-inch collection, 1 foot of perfection, the right size for every grade schooler. Yard. Now 3 of these feet, should they line up and meet, together, oh, it's called a yard. That's 36 inches, and here's what the cinch is. That's also 3 feet. It's not hard. If you've measured your bed, and the yardstick had said that your headboard's exactly 3 feet, you could say that the height is 1 yard, and you're right, or 36 inches. How neat! 3 feet equals 1 yard equals 36 inches. They're all the same. It's really quite wise when you're measuring size to know more than only one system. The terms here are fun, and before you are done, you'll surely be able to list them. So there's 2 types of measuring systems. One is the English system that we use mostly here in America, and one is the metric system that they use in a lot of other countries. Millimeter. It's nearly as thin as a needle or pin. 1 inch holds almost 26. Wow, millimeters are really, really tiny. Put your face real near. That's the whole thing right here. It's smaller than most fleas and ticks. Centimeter. Take your fingers and a pinch. Less than half of 1 inch. A dime would quite easily hide one. As small as it is, when you're asked on a quiz, there are 10 millimeters inside one. Decimeter. A bit less than 4 inches, really no more. There are 10 centimeters tucked in it. 100 would be the amount you would see of all the millimeters within it. Meter. Just how tall is Peter? He's all of 1 meter. It's a little bit more than 1 yard. Or you could say Peter's just 10 decimeters, and watch as your paper is starred. So how can you tell? Just how tall is that bell? How wide is your thermos or cooler? Now it's a pleasure because you can measure, which makes you the ultimate ruler. So what is length? Do you know? English length measurements. 1 yard equals 3 feet equals 36 inches. 1 foot equals 12 inches. Metric length measurements. 1 meter equals 10 decimeters equals 100 centimeters equals 1,000 millimeters. 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters. And that was How Long or How Wide? A Measuring Guide. I hope you enjoyed.